SMVC. Front door job, let's go. I ain't done this in a long time.
You going for the front door job, you?
I'm going for the fucking second tip field, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Training.
Hour.
Is there a tip field near you as well?
Yeah, but I'm trying to expand, mate. This is a very deadly move that I'm doing here.
New construction options. Building. Building. Construction complete. Building. Construction complete. Construction complete. Enemy units sighted. New construction options. Building. New construction options. Construction complete. Our base is under attack. Unit under attack.
Oops. I didn't upgrade fast enough to there. Expand. That's fine.
On hold. Cancelled. Training. Building. Building. Construction complete. New construction options. Construction complete.
Wheels of steel.
Come on, boys. Fight for fucking Kane. Nobody else.
Reckoner on the move.
Get that reckoner right now. Jump the fuck in there, boys.
The reckoning is coming. Reckoner here. Moving out. Deploying. One mission, one purpose.
Get that fucking power online, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Got the rockets.
Construction complete.
Rockets ready. We've got the rockets. Find a good spot.
Construction complete.
We've got the rockets. Keep an eye out. Keep low. The Black Hand has arrived.
Construction complete. New construction options.
Black Hand has arrived.
We are our base is under attack.
Take the area. The Black Hand awaits. The Black Hand has arrived. This way.
Unit under attack. Building.
Feel the flame, you fucking scream bitches. I ain't scared of you. Come and get some.
Fuck.
Our base is under attack.
Russian boys.
Repairing. Construction complete.
Burn them out. Now this is what you call a flame war, bitch. Come and get some. I'll fucking hold you scrim bastards off all day with purifying flame.
Our base is under attack. Construction complete.
Reverse, boy. You reverse. You're low on health. You take them on.
On
Ooh, yeah! They're getting burnt alive. I kid you not.
Nice.
That's all I'm going for. It's all I'm building is flame tanks, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna flame tank them. I don't care. I'm gonna show them how to fucking use flame tanks. Rush them, boys, rush them. Rush them. Fucking hell.
Purifying flame.
Beam cannon in transit.
Rush them, boys.
Coordinates. Objective verified.
Aggressive. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Additional power.
Look at this. Whoa! They ain't got a chance, Gavin.
Yo, save some squin for me. I'm hungry.
Training.
Build some fucking flame tanks.
I don't think you can you?
Construction complete.
Build flame tanks?
Yeah, can you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Flames will rise.
I haven't even built my Redeemer yet. I'm having that much fun. Whoa, you seen that's coming from the top?
Oh shit. Oh my god, get back. What are you doing, boys?
Calibrated for high intensity. Lenses.
Oh, I didn't see that coming.
Oh my god, so
Adjusting for new coordinates.
this game's broken, man. It's just fucking stupid.
Wow, what's up?
Fucking units are just going everywhere, man. They ain't even got a clue, like.
Tests complete.
I think I might even have to rehost, mate.
Adjusting for new coordinates.
I didn't see them coming from the top.
Are you fucked?
I don't know.
The tides will not yield.
I didn't see that attack coming from the top.
I'll build some defense around you as well. How that about?
Our base is under attack.
Oh, I fucking forgot about here.
Cancelled. Building. Unit under attack. Repairing. Repairing. Construction complete. Building. Unit promoted.
Illuminators prime.
Construction complete.
Charge the base defense.
Our base is under attack. Building.
So I got some defense coming now.
Lost my Redeemer home.
Insufficient.
No.
Enemy units sighted. Construction complete. Our base is under attack. Building. Repairing. Repairing.
Fucking little bastards.
Enemy units sighted. Insufficient funds.
You wanna fuck around? I'll show them how to kill a fucking base. Little pricks.
Ashes will fall. Flame tank.
Enemy units sighted. Construction
I'd
complete.
like to roll up in my base, killing my fucking Redeemer hub. Fucking roll up in your base, you little pricks. How'd you like that?
Cleansing fire. Flame tank. Steady now. The fuel hungers. When do we start?
Enemy base
We
sighted.
will wait. Take it slow.
Enemy units sighted.
When do we start?
Pricks. Fucking, you want a flame tank war? I'll give you a fucking flame tank war.
Keep it safe.
Insufficient funds.
That blue flame though, innit?
Yeah, it goes in, don't it?
It's all about that blue flame. All about that flame. That flame. Oh, look at the fucking carnage. Yeah, see you later, boys. GG.
Yeah, game over, mate.
Fucking hell.
I thought they had me, but that flame tank fucking, it's too much for him. It is.
Steady now. Take it slow.
Construction complete.
Hey, get off my fucking flame tanks, you little pricks.
Steady now. We will wait.
Low power. Building. Enemy defeated.
Fucking bollocks, that was quick. Oh yeah.